In the tranquil waters of Mexico's ancient lakes, a creature of wonder thrives. Meet the axolotl, an extraordinary amphibian that captivates scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. Known as the Mexican walking fish, the axolotl is a salamander with a unique twist: its incredible ability to regenerate lost body parts. This fascinating creature, native to the lakes of Mexico, has captured the imagination of scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. The axolotl can regenerate not just limbs, but also spinal cord segments, parts of its heart, and even sections of its brain. This process is not only rapid, but also remarkably precise, allowing the axolotl to fully restore its functionality. Imagine losing a limb or suffering a severe spinal injury, and being able to completely heal without any scarring. The axolotl's regenerative abilities are so advanced that they can even replace damaged tissues and organs multiple times throughout their lives. Scientists are studying these remarkable creatures to unlock the secrets of regeneration, hoping to one day apply this knowledge to human medicine. The potential for medical breakthroughs is immense, from healing spinal cord injuries to regenerating heart tissue after a heart attack. Imagine if humans had this power. The possibilities are endless, and the axolotl might just hold the key to a future where regenerative medicine can transform lives. Researchers are delving into the axolotl's secrets, hoping to revolutionize medical treatments for injuries. Axolotls are fascinating creatures that remain in their larval stage throughout their entire lives, a unique phenomenon known as neoteny. This means they never undergo metamorphosis like other amphibians and instead retain juvenile features such as their external gills, while still reaching sexual maturity. These gills are not just for show. They are vital for their underwater respiration. With their frilly, feather-like gills and what appears to be a perpetual smile, axolotls have an almost otherworldly charm that captivates anyone who sees them. These unique features make axolotls symbols of hope and resilience. They have an incredible ability to regenerate lost body parts, including limbs, spinal cord, heart, and other organs, which adds to their mystique. However, despite their resilience, axolotls face critical threats in the wild. Pollution, habitat destruction, and invasive species have drastically reduced their numbers. Conservation efforts are underway to protect their natural habitats and ensure their survival for future generations. Join us in spreading awareness and supporting conservation efforts to protect these incredible creatures. The axolotl's story is a testament to nature's wonders and the importance of preserving biodiversity. These unique amphibians, often referred to as water monsters or Mexican walking fish, are critically endangered due to habitat loss and pollution. By contributing to conservation initiatives, you can help ensure their survival for future generations. Every small action counts, from educating others about their plight to supporting organizations dedicated to their protection. Let's come together to make a difference and celebrate the beauty and diversity of our natural world. Your support can create a lasting impact. Subscribe to Wild World Wisdom for more amazing animal facts and conservation tips. Let's make a difference together. Thanks for watching.